Hello everyone. Thank you for joining for this part of the presentation. My name is Hayat Raza, Application Specialist with Continental Carbon Group. In this presentation, we are going to be talking in detail about our equipment solutions offering for air and water treatment, both in municipal and industrial applications. System design consideration. Based on the application, whether it's water or air, we need to have some questions answered. What is the application? What type of process is it? What are your final treatment goals? At the same time, we also have to look at what is the contaminant and what concentration and what could be the competing contaminants. We also would like to know if there are any existing treatments on site. Another potential problems which could be encountered: height, sound limits, process parameters, what is the flow rate of the application, what is the temperature, if it's an air application then relative humidity. These are the kind of questions which need to be asked and answered before we can give you a comprehensive solution design. Deep bed scrubbers. Typically, a package system in a deep bed scrubber will include the fan, the damper, it will include the fittings, as well as the sound enclosure. It can also include the pressure differential gauges as well as the sampling port. Based on the specifications and based on the customer needs, these requirements can be met by CCG. Please always give us in detail what are your requirements, and we can offer you the right product with all the equipments or accessories required for that equipment. We can offer deep bed scrubbers in FRP, polypropylene, stainless steel 316, and also dual bed systems. Again, the material of construction is going to be dependent on the specifications and the requirements of the customer. Another thing to consider is the material resistance to the contaminant. Sometimes in some applications, based on the contaminant, right material of construction is extremely important so that the scrubber does not die out or has problems in doing its operation. In terms of compact systems, NES for small flow rates ranging from 200 CFM to 3000 CFM, we offer high flow and Wensor PE systems. Typically, they are made out of polyethylene or polypropylene, but the material of construction can be varied to stainless steel 316 or FRP based on the requirements of the application. These systems, just like our deep bed scrubbers, can come in package systems as required by the customer. They can also be standalone systems. They can also be put in package systems. They can be put on a skid, or they can be top-mounted fan systems as required from specification to specification or application to application. Our Phoenix odor control system is our patented H2S treatment system. This is a very good alternative to wet scrubbers and biofilters. We can offer this system anywhere from 1000 to 30,000 CFM flow rates. The key advantage of the system is it uses water regenerable carbon, and the carbon can be used multiple times before it saturates. Another thing about the system is it typically has small footprint with low maintenance cost and also reduces the O&M cost in the long run, where you don't have to feed any chemicals in the systems. Our sweet street systems are exceptionally good for any manhole applications. Typically, there are a lot of sewer odors, and this system is designed for sewer manhole odor control. We can go all the way from 2 inches to 37 inches, which is the basic manhole size, or even custom systems for larger manholes. Please note that the carbon is typically put on the top, and we can also use non-carbon based material or different kinds of carbon based on the kind of odor issue you're having. Sweet streets can also be made in stainless steel 316s if required. If you have any vent issues or vent stack issues, which is potentially creating odors, for example in bakeries, we do offer our sweet vent and vent pure systems. These are also having no moving parts. They typically come in 2-inch to 12-inch sizes, and they can be both flanged or slip-on style. Stainless steel options are also available. One of the strengths of Continental Carbon is, apart from providing the right filtration media and the equipment, we can also offer you field services. This includes equipment installation, startup, operator personnel training, troubleshooting, air and water sampling and testing, and media changeout when the filtration medias are saturated. Please contact Continental Carbon for more details on our field service offerings. Being an innovative company, Continental Carbon offers advanced oxidation system now. This is a new technology which Continental Carbon has introduced in 2019. Typically, this system utilizes a metal catalyst, and in the presence of visible light, you can convert fresh air into a feed of oxidants, which can basically break down the meanest of the meanest contaminants. That includes NDMA, as well as 1,4-dioxanes, which are emerging contaminants. This technology can be used for both air and water treatment systems. Some of the benefits of this advanced oxidation systems include, one and most important, which will decrease your O&M cost significantly, is single-phase power, small footprint, and more importantly, the typical reaction time to break down the contaminant is less than 10 seconds. It can treat a wide range of compounds, including ammonia, H2S, mercaptans, organics, as well as some types of microorganisms. In terms of our water, wastewater equipment offerings, CCG believes that decentralized systems is the future, and we can offer a comprehensive decentralized system. If you see on the left side, we have a cyclone system, which basically does coagulation, flocculation, filtration, including carbon filtration and organically filtration, followed by sludge removal and hauling away. We also offer our T-series vessel systems, which can hold from 20 cubic foot to 780 cubic foot of filtration media, whether carbon or zeolite medias as required. And finally, what makes CCG unique with its equipment offering is the services we offer. Apart from 3 divisions which we have for soil, water, and air treatment and the related technologies, CCG can also offer 2-phase solutions, which is soil water, water air, or soil and air, but also when on site, CCG can offer comprehensive environmental solution for all your soil, water, and air needs, and at the same time meet your local and regulatory discharge limits as required. With this, thank you for your attention, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thank you.